Today, we will show you how to log out of your account in Microsoft Outlook on your PC. If you are using a shared computer or want to switch to a different account, we will guide you through how to sign out quickly and securely. Let's get started. When working in Outlook, you need to log out by going to Settings. You can open Settings or you can go to File. Either option works. From there, open Account Info. Both paths lead to the same place, so just pick one. Click the gear icon to open Settings. Here, you will see your accounts. In this example, we have 2 accounts in Outlook. To log out, click Manage on the account you want to sign out from. From here, you can remove or delete the account, which will automatically sign you out. When we click Remove, a prompt will appear. Simply select Remove from this device. Once confirmed, we have successfully logged out of that account. That's all it takes to keep your email account secure, especially when using a shared device.